Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 different ways to style a sundress. I figured this would be perfect for the spring and summer season because sundresses are one of my go-tos in the spring and summer. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it so you can get a notification the next time I upload. I want to share with you guys the post notification shout out along with the comment of the day. So the post notification shout out goes out to Valerie. She says, OMG, I love this type of bracelet. So cute. Hashtag notification squad. Thank you so much for turning my notifications on and subscribing. You are seriously so cute. And the comment of the day goes out to love your scarf. You have a wonderful smile. Thank you so much. Passport overused. Seriously, you guys seriously make me so happy with all your sweet comments. So definitely check out the description box for details on how to get a shout out in my video. I am doing daily videos, so there's tons of chances to get a shout out. So it's all in the description box. Just get right into the video. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit is your favorite, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this 5 ways to style a sundress video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you're new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. All my social medias are linked in the description box. And let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite because I would love to know. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow with my next video. Bye guys!